It is always a little bit stressful to VESA mount the OLED monitor, but that is why I'll give you guys a step-by-step guide to get your desk looking like this. If you buy from the links in the description, I do earn a commission, which also helps support the channel. We're gonna place this monitor face down because that will be much easier during the installation process. Also, I'll link the Amazon link of this Wonwu monitor arm in the description, but honestly guys, you guys can use any monitor arm. This guide will mostly cover all of them. Now for this important part over here, at the base of the stand you will see this screw over here. You're gonna actually remove it with your hand. Now this does seem hard at first, but it's actually pretty easy. You're gonna slide that off like so, and now we're gonna take a screwdriver and quickly remove these two screws over here. Now you're just gonna loosen them until they cannot loosen anymore, and you're gonna just slide this piece out like so. We're gonna use this stand over here. As you can see, we're gonna line it up perfectly to the back of the monitor, but we're actually going to turn it away from us towards the wall because it will be way easier doing it this way. As you can see, we're going to put it on like so, and the other part needs to show to the wall side. Now we're just gonna take all of the screws that is included with your monitor stand, and you're gonna tighten them with your hand at first, and then you're gonna use the screwdriver to tighten them completely. After which you can make sure they are secured. It's very important that they are not too tight, but obviously they need to not move around because it needs to be secured. Now you're gonna turn the monitor arm back towards you, and it's actually very easy because you're gonna pick this up like so, and we're gonna slide it into the other part that I already attached to my desk. This is just a desk clamp monitor arm, so it's pretty easy to attach or install a monitor on it. Now you're just going to slide it in like so. It's actually a gas spring as well, so that's pretty cool actually. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to adjust a monitor arm. Obviously, if you guys get an arm like this, it's gonna be similar. So over here, you're gonna take the Allen wrench that was included, and you can turn it over here for a tilt. This is important because if you want to tilt your monitor, it needs to be able to actually not fall down or anything, because it will be very annoying if it doesn't stay in place after you tilt it. Now, because it is a gas spring, it will need some adjustment because the weight of the monitor is actually too light for this adjustment that is currently on. So we will basically be using the Allen wrench that is included again, because this will obviously not work. Now it's mostly the same for most gas spring monitor arms. As you can see at the back over here, there's often a adjustable port you're gonna use the Allen wrench on, and there will be a plus or minus sign. You're gonna adjust this till you feel the tension is just right, that if you move the monitor it will stay in place. Now for the hardest part, which is cable management, like always. But we're gonna use this Allen wrench over here, and we're gonna remove the cable management tray over here, and we actually do have two of them, which is nice for cable management. But as you can see, flexible cables are very easy to manage, but then you get a stiff display cable like this one right here. Now that's gonna be a little bit of a problem, because how on earth are you gonna cable management this? So I got a solution, and that is to get a flexible cable. Now it is very easy because usually the longer cables are pretty flexible, like this HDMI cable right here. As you can see, it's flexible. Now you do get flexible display cables, so I'm just gonna use this HDMI cable because I had it laying around. As you can see, this is how easy it is to do cable management with a flexible cable. But if you do not have a flexible cable, don't worry, this is how it will look with the stiff cable. And I mean, it doesn't look too bad. It's still looks way better than the base stand. This is how it looks though with the flexible cable and with full cable management. My disk is open, and no one will roast me in the comments of this video that my cable management is bad. So I'm pretty happy how it turned out, honestly. But if you guys want to see the full guide for this monitor arm and a full review of it, I'll link it in the right side corner of this video right now. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.